How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolute gorgeous 67 GTX done in its factory burgundy metallic. It's got the black stripes, factory stripes on it. The car was restored a few years back. It's all the original grille and hood moldings, and the headlight bezels all in excellent condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun's kind of coming and going today. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. So the paintwork on this car is just show quality. Super nice car, guys. And this is a true GTX. So all the taillight bezels and the deck lid applique is the original, and for the age it's in excellent condition. Rear bumper was re-chromed. You can see how straight, flat down the sides this car is. It's hard to find these GTXs. Got a set of US mag Ramblers on it. Motor was all redone when they redid the car. It has a 68 440 HP motor. It's got power steering. So all of the hood's detailed very nicely. It's got the heavy duty radiator and correct shroud and everything. It's got 727 torque flight trans, 8 3/4 posi rear. So all the interior in the car is real nice. Original dash, super nice. Headliner's real nice, tight. And all the seats were redone, reupholstered. Got the front and rear seat belts, original center console. See, the jams are all painted real nice. And this is all original body panel car. Got the original jack, the spares all in the car. You can see all that in the pictures. It's got the rear factory tack mounted on the console there. All the interior lights, everything works like it should on the car. Super cool car. A nice full dual exhaust out the back with the correct tips. That's a good looking GTX there. You can Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.